Hey, a very good morning guys. I hope you all doing absolutely fine. So आज का जो व्लॉग होने वाला है वो कुछ पार्सल के बारे में होने वाला है. So 2 days back I ordered something and finally पार्सल कल शाम को आया था. But due to some work I couldn't open it. So अभी जाके नीचे से पार्सल लेके आएंगे और उसके बाद अनबॉक्स करेंगे. Then we'll talk about the parcel, brand and whatever costing for this particular thing. वैसे देखा जाए तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा बारिश हो रहा है पुणे में 2-3 दिन से, और ज़्यादा हो रहा है क्योंकि सैटरडे संडे कुछ रुका था बट इट स्टार्टेड अगेन. कल रात से भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा बारिश है. तो चलो नीचे चलते हैं. विल गेट दैट पार्सल एंड देन विल टॉक अबाउट इट. Hey guys, so finally I got this parcel. If you see, this came from Moto Shared. This is not a paid review. This is the real review because I ordered it 2 days back and I got it delivered in 2 days. So I'm very happy for that. Why Moto Shared? Because in November also मैंने side carrier order किया था इनसे and that time also I got quick help from them. I got it delivered in 2 days. और जो साइड कैरियर मैंने वर्सेस के लिए लिया है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ऑफ हेप्को बेकर विच इज़ अ जर्मन कंपनी. उसका लिंक भी उस वीडियो का मैं यहाँ पे डाल दूँगा और डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी आपको डाल दूँगा. सो डू विजिट दैट एंड डू चेक इट आउट. सो आज मैंने मोटो शेयर से क्या मंगाया है. सो आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड इंजन गार्ड फॉर माई वर्सेस 650. ओके, सो इनसाइड बॉक्स वी गॉट इट. दीज आर द स्क्रूज एंड बोल्ट्स. After that, these are the bars we got inside. So if you see, these are the 1 inches steel, German steel bars, and these are black powder coated bars. This looks sturdy, as well as they have done the stress test as well. So suppose if you meet with accident or if your bike fall down, so it should take that impact and protect your engine. So that's why that stress test is also done. So नीचे चलते हैं बाइक के यहाँ पे. we'll see how it will fit and then we'll see like fitting कैसे करना है. do we have that toolkit with us? So basically you have to put 2 screws here. Let me show you little close. So these 2 screws, these are normal, same with the other side. So these 4 are normal things, but you have to open, I believe, these 2 screws on which your suspension is mounted. So you have to open these 2 screws. There's one attachment given, so that attachment you have to add it there. So when your bar come from this side, you have to join them and mount it on that particular attachment. So I don't want to take that risk to open this particular thing which is related to suspension. So I'll speak with Tushar. His name is also Tushar. So if you saw last vlog about the carrier, he's the one who helped me with this. So I'll ask him. I'll go there and get it fixed. So Tushar is not there, but Yogesh is there. So I'm heading towards his garage now. It's just opposite City Pride. So this is the Sambar Hotel near City Pride Satara Road, and just beside that lane we have his garage. So I'll go and get this engine guard fixed today. There is some sort of MI service center also beside it. Yeah, here we go. So finally I'm here at Mechanics Motorrad. This is just opposite City Pride Lane. He's into super bikes, so if you need anything you can come here. His mobile number is also there. So finally the guard is getting mounted on my bike. It looks much better than Zana. Compact and lightweight. Guys, so finally done with guard installation, engine guard installation. मैं भी घर जा रहा हूँ. Let me reach home. I might need to wash bike. काफ़ी ज़्यादा गंदी हुई है. So I'll wash it and then we'll speak. Finally I'm back, and let me show you. These are the two bolts where the right side engine guard will get mounted. So these are the two simple bolts you have to put. The major work is here inside. So if you see, this particular mount will go on this T is connected there. So this particular mount will go on that, and after that these two sides will join here and they will get mounted here. So this is little time consuming, and you need to have proper tools for that. If you see, the other side is also the same as the right one. These are the only two things. So basically this is how the guard is looking now. This is better quality and also better than the Zana. Look at the right side as well. So here you'll get Hepco and Baker. So this is a branding. So finally I managed to get this done today. Finally आज Hepco Baker का crash guard मैंने बिठा दिया है. As per the guide you'll able to fit it, but जो headlight के नीचे वाला portion है, that is little critical, or I would suggest to go to proper garage and get it fixed. It's a one-time installation. So I got it done today, and the cost I paid for this crash guard is 17,000 rupees, 17. So the big difference between Zana and this is almost double. Zana is almost 9,000 rupees, wherein the Hepco and Baker is for 17,000 rupees. But obviously there is a big difference between the quality as well. Hepco and Baker is better quality as compared to Zana. It is compact, it is sturdy, and maybe I'll make another vlog for that, comparing Zana's engine guard and Hepco and Baker's engine guard. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही रखते हैं. If you want this guard, you can go to Moto Usher. I'll put link of theirs in description box, because their service is amazing. Within 2 days they delivered it in Pune from Nagpur. So service is amazing. So you can go there and you can check other parts as well. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही रखते हैं. If you like this vlog for whatsoever reason, then do hit like button and don't forget to hit that red button which is subscribe. Thank you.